Android Storage Manager is a must to create more space on your handset. Okay, we have gleaned 5 great Android space managers, helping you take full control over your Android device. Part 1. The best Android storage manager. As the best Android storage manager to help you manage space on Android phones, Mobikin Assistant for Android Win and Mac lets you easily delete any unnecessary files in batches so as to save enough space for your device. How to use the best Android storage manager to give full control over your Android storage. 1. Launch the program and connect your Android device to PC Mac. 2. Delete any Android files directly. 3. Remove unwanted apps to save space on your Android phone. 4. Move Android files to the computer before Part 2 to 4 other storage managers for Android. Number 1. Storage Analyzer and Storage Manager. With Storage Analyzer and Storage Manager, you can see the memory usage of SD cards, USB devices, external and internal storage. It displays free, occupied space of internal storage, and other phone info. Number 2. Storage Manager, Stock Tracker. Another Android manager is Storage Manager, Stock Tracker. As an Android storage analyzer, it empowers you to manage your Android device easier than ever. 3. Mega Storage Manager. Mega Storage Manager, great phone storage manager. After setting up sync for content saved on any Android folders, you can upload data to Mega, covering images, documents, phone settings, or other files. 4. Storage Widget Plus. With its visual design, you can customize the interface as you wish. After you complete the configuration for Storage Widget Plus, your Android content will be listed in a simple and clear manner. Part 3. How to check the Android phone storage. For most Android users, you may have no idea of how much storage is left on your device until you get an alert message saying there's not enough space available for downloads. Part 4 to 5 fixes to Android storage problem. Insufficient storage available. Solution 1. Remove useless media files and apps. Solution 2. Clear up your downloads. Solution 3. Use USB OTG storage. Solution 4. An SD card. Solution 5. Use Eraser for Android Ultimate Tool. Your Android phone may have been used for a long time, and its memory has been optimized after using some device storage analyzers. Now, you can think about the ultimate tool Mobikin Eraser for Android.